Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can hide someone you follow on Twitter. The only sane way to do that is by switching your profile or account type to private, which you can do by going into settings and privacy. In here, go for privacy and safety, then audience and tagging, and turn on the protect your tweet switch. And now if we'll get back to our Twitter profile, as you can see, this little padlock appears in front of our username or display name, and from now on our Twitter is private and can be all its data, tweets, followers, followings will be visible only to the people that will follow you, thus to the people that you have accepted the following requests from. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.